Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a wise Zen master named Master Li. He was known for his ability to connect with people on a deep level and leave a lasting impression. One day, a young man named Raj came to Master Li and asked for his help in learning the secret of attracting people. Raj was a shy boy and often felt awkward in social situations. He wanted to learn how to attract and influence others by him just by talking for a short while. Master Li invited Raj to sit with him under the ancient oak tree. He began his teachings by explaining on how to make people feel comfortable around him and how to leave a good impression. Master Li smiled and said, "First impression is the last impression. The first step to being more likable is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, because people will see right through you. Just be genuine and authentic, and people will be drawn to you." Master Li then gave Raj some tips on how to make a good first impression. He said, "When you meet someone new, be sure to make eye contact and smile. This will show that you're friendly and approachable. Also, be sure to introduce yourself in a clear and confident voice. Be open with your body language," Master Li advised. "Avoid closed postures like folding your arms. Instead, stand or sit with an open attitude and take up space." Master Li also told Raj that it's important to be interested in other people. He said, "Ask questions about them and really listen to their answers. People love to talk about themselves, so this is a great way to make a connection." He said, "The more you show interest, the deeper the connection will be." Master Li told Raj that he should be careful not to be too forward, especially with people of the opposite gender. This is because it can make them feel uncomfortable and prevent them from wanting to connect with you. He then explained that rapport is important for building emotional connections. He said that humans make decisions with their hearts, so it's important to be able to sync with people on an emotional level. Master Li talked about the 3 V's of communication: visual, vocal, and verbal. He said that body language is very important and that mirroring the other person's gestures can help you build rapport. He also said that the tone of your voice is important and that you should try to match the other person's tone, volume, and speed. Finally, he talked about congruity, which is the art of being consistent in all aspects of your communication. He said that to build emotional connections, you need to be genuine and confident in everything you say and do. Master Li advised him to practice what he had learned in real-life conversations. He said that watching videos alone would not be enough to help him improve his communication skills. Raj was inspired by Master Li's teachings. As he practiced what he had learned, he noticed a positive change in his interactions with others. People were drawn to his warmth, sincerity, and genuine interest in them.